Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Whetstone local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the best local and long-distance moving company near you here in Whetstone. Suppose you want to move to a new place of residence, whether locally or long distance. You should call us to assist you with the move. Regardless of where you are going, you can be sure that we've got the capabilities to make your dream relocation come through. All you need to do is to hand over the reins and watch us work. We prioritize the happiness and satisfaction of our clients, and to this end, we provide affordable, efficient, and effective services. With the depth of our packages, we help clients to circumvent the mental and physical taxing nature of relocations while providing them with a stress-free moving experience. Our team of movers are equipped to handle the strains of moving, and we can always help you out. Are you interested in what we have to offer? Do you want to know about the services we provide to our clients? In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Whetstone moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.